Hello, my name is Dragonstormer, and today I will be showing you how to make some hearty and delicious wedding soup relatively easily. I already have everything already prepped, so let's just get into this. First off, the ingredients. Some extra noodle or regular noodle chicken soup mix, a can of chicken, 2 if they're small, some sliced carrots and chopped spinach, diced onions, and of course the little meatballs. And you're gonna extra noodle soup here says you use 3 cups of water, but you're going to use at least 4 to compensate for the extra items you're adding to it. And for the water, you're gonna want to add salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning to flavor, and a little bit of oil to make things not stick to the pan. I prefer to use extra virgin olive oil. It makes it taste better. Now, you're gonna want to have the chicken shredded, but if it's chunk, that's easy enough to shred it. Just stick a fork in there and keep twisting it in different spots, and it'll be shredded in no time. Now, when the water starts getting a nice boil to it, you want to start adding the ingredients, but not the soup mix yet. You add that later. Oop. How to do this with one hand. All right. Yeah, now just stir it all in nice and good so it's all evenly mixed up. Look at that, that already looks good. Smells great already too. Then you're gonna wanna bring it to a boil again. And once it's boiling again, that's when you add the soup mix. Alright, it's got a nice boil going to it again, so now we're gonna add the soup mix. Then stir it in nice and good. Yeah. And then you're gonna wanna cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, of course, during the whole time it's cooking, you're gonna wanna stir it every so often. Forgot to mention that earlier. Alright, now the soup is done. Give it a few extra stirs. Make sure it's nice and evenly flavored all throughout. And let it cool for a few minutes, then serve. And there you have it, a delicious homemade wedding soup. So good. And relatively easy to make. Alright,